All
Hey,
right, so you want to create a box and whisker plot on Desmos graphing calculator? Well, let me show you how to do it. Option number one, click the keyboard here, go to functions and scroll down to box plot right here under visualizations. Now, of course, you could type it out if you want to. Either way, you have to write out box plot. Now, before you start inputting your numbers, you have to include the little bracket right here. So you have to include that. Then you start entering your numbers separated by commas. So let me type in the phone number of one of my enemies. Just joking, I'm not going to do that. But I'm typing out numbers and just kind of making it up as I go along. Okay? When you're done, you're going to close the bracket, close the parentheses. Now, you have the option of excluding outliers, but who wants to do that? Now, I'm going to go to the little zoom fit magnifying glass and click it so that it centers things nicely. Now, if you need to zoom in, zoom in. If you need to zoom out, zoom out. But you could take a look at this and notice that you have a lower extreme that lines up with 1. Don't believe me? Zoom in. There it is. Okay, you have a lower quartile that lines up with 3, a median that lines up with 4, and this is where you have to be careful. This is your upper quartile. That is not 9. 9 is right here directly in between 8 and 10. This is 8.5 because this lines up with a number directly in between 8 and 9. Don't believe me? Zoom in. Here's my 8. Here's my 9. And of course, the upper extreme is directly in between 10 and 12, where 11 would be. But that's your box and whisker plot. So now is where you would draw it out and make it look all nice and pretty. But that's how you do it on Desmos.